On Saturday evening at around 6 p.m, I received a phone call that went something like this.
Longonot.
Longonot, tunazaenda?
Kesho.
Lini?
Kesho 6.
Kesho 6. Sawa. Na hivyo ndivyo kijana barubaru alidecide kuwa we are going to take an unplanned trip to Mount Longonot, and here are 8 things that I wish somebody told me before I took this trip to Mount Longonot.
Motivational speaker alisema nini kuhusu milima? Ni kama ni hakupanda hii. Si ndio alipanda.
Number 1, go early. We left the house at around 6 a.m. and I was asking myself, why are we leaving so early? Mount Longonot is not that far from Nairobi. Why are we leaving so early? But I will soon find out. If you are a Kenyan and you are passing through that Nairobi-Nakuru highway, you know very well that you have to stop hapo kwa escarpments because the views are just immaculate. Even if you've seen them for a million times like I have, you just need to stop and take pictures and probably buy something. Mine was being sold for 300 and I bargained and I was still sold for 300. That guy didn't care.
Yeah.
But it looks good. Looks good. So we proceeded with the journey. Kenya is really beautiful. The views are really immaculate, as you can see. Then we proceeded to buy snacks. Like for me, you can see that I have a lot of pin pops and soda. Make sure you carry a lot of sugar, by the way. Sugar is equal to energy, and energy is equals fuel for you to climb the mountain. Stafunza hizi vitu. And we got to the gate of the Point number 2, carry a lot of water. And by water, I mean 3 liters and above, because that is a mountain. That is not your regular kahila, but that is a freaking mountain and it's treacherous. I promise you. So carry a lot of water. You are not supposed to carry plastic bottles, the one that they sell water with. You're supposed to carry a reusable bottle. So if you have plastic bottles, they sell plastic bottles at the gate for 100 bob. You need to transfer your water from the bottles that you have to, so that you do not later kule kwa mlima, which is a good reason, if you ask me. Then the third thing I wish somebody told me is that you pay with e-citizen. We expected just you need to pay with M-Pesa, but it's the same. You still pay with M-Pesa, but like it's e-citizen. Then we started the hike.
Fellow soldier. Yeah, see. We are 15 minutes into the hike and my phone. Okay. So, all right. Ita take how long kabla tufike huko? Vile tunatembea?
2 hours.
So now
2 hours.
Naambiwa ni 2 hours kufika pale juu for the first break.
2 hours.
Now we are 15 minutes into the hike and my phone has already told me that I've surpassed my movement goal. Niko unfit mbaya. This is like the first steep incline. I don't know. Not already the same route, but I think it's the same. So let's just. Kuna motivational speaker aliniambia kitu. Sasa hata siwezi kumbuka. Motivational speaker alisema nini kuhusu milima? Ni kama ni hakupanda hii. Si ndio alipanda.
You are hang out.
Earlier
Longonot kutoka kwa jina la Masai ambalo ni Olongoti.
Ah.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of elevation we required to go.
This is Safariation. Safariation.
Safariation Pandi Elevation. We've just met a lovely white couple. They look like they are in their 60s. They've just told us, you guys are young.
You guys are young. You are young as a motherfucker. But age is what?
Age is just but a number.
KRG the dog. We are here with KRG. KRG the dog.
Our new pet.
Jamana niuzia uoga ule. Captain.
3/4.
Hii kitu bwana unakuja bila maji. Hata nimesahau mtoto wangu, ningemkuja na yeye.
Olaibon.
Ole yo.
Earlier.
Do you remember when we were climbing, I had forgotten what that wise man told me about mountains? You know what they say about mountains, like the hardest climbs give the best views? Well, this is what I remembered in relation to that. Climb the mountain, not to plant your flag, but to embrace the challenge, enjoy the air, and behold the view. Climb it so that you can see the world, not that the world can see you. Climbing Mount Longonot was an absolute pleasure. I respect Mother Nature so much for how treacherous it can be and also for how beautiful it can get. Thank you very much for watching the video up till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend that there's that guy, Rastaman somewhere, who does some content. And before I go, I'll leave you with this. Remember, the best views only come from the hardest climbs. It has been lit, it has been fire, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace. Wait, before you go, hi, this is me, Roxel, the editor. So I've just figured out that somebody forgot to list the 8 things you need to know before you start hiking Mount Longonot. So to fix that, I'm going to do a YouTube short that will explain that, and you can find that video here.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta.